getting back to normal. We're working from home, studying from home, learning from home, and honestly trying to get it together. So tune into this video to see how I transform this old, kind of worn out desk into a beautiful desk that anyone will be happy to sit and work at. Welcome. Now enjoy Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Fashion and beauty chic new releases. I'm talking travel, art and tech, creative business process, and love and light. I'm Janita Blue, a global brand strategist, but so much more. So go ahead and subscribe and let's connect. Remember, as we climb, we lift others. So this is the desk that we're going to be starting with. It's a little bit chipped up. You can use a desk that is kind of worn out like this, or you can just use any desk that you have and definitely can remodel it. I am really excited to see what we can come up with. So first things first is sanding. I have these up edges here, and I just want to sand this part down because I want it to be nice and smooth when I actually go and spray on it. Next, we're just going to go ahead and wipe her down, clean and disinfect. Okay, next what you want to do is go ahead and remove all the drawers from the desk and lay them over a tarp paper like this, or it can use a black trash bag like I did. Today I'll be using Rust-Oleum's paint in deep blue. This is in the gloss. Let's see if it actually does have double coverage, and it's a paint and a primer. Okay guys, so go ahead and lay down your tarp under your paper. I'm in my mom's driveway and I definitely don't want to ruin her driveway or get spray paint over it. So I'm shaking up the spray paint because it is definitely go time. So I just start at the base and I'm using the spray paint on the desk. I'm just doing these light, even coats, and oh my goodness. Do you see this coverage? Literally just by spraying it, like paint and primer included in one. And I'm just going across the desk and really applying it nice thick coats. You don't want to be sitting on the floor in your office or your room and look up and realize that not all of your desk is painted and you still have some little, missing bald spots. So I'm doing my best to be sure that I cover up everything. And like I said, it is going on so nicely. I'm making sure that I do it as evenly as possible. So guys, I've tried other spray paints and they were just so like watery and drippy. But this Rust-Oleum paint is definitely not like that. And I'm obsessed with this blue. It is the color of the year. And definitely definitely enjoying myself out here. I can tell you that much. I'm getting pretty low on this particular can. I have about maybe 15% left. So I have another can. So I'm actually not worried. I'm gonna go ahead and save this 15% here for my touch-ups, any thing that I want to touch up or add to it. Having a lot of fun. I love doing this. This is something I've always done. Crafts. I've always transformed rooms and spaces. I've always been just this very creative person, and that's why I work in marketing. But this is like the true essence of my creative outlet. So I'm having a good time making space beautiful, and it just brings me joy to do it. All right, guys. I'm gonna continue. Okay guys, I finished spray painting everything and now it is time to put the desk back together. I'm gonna go ahead and install the drawers. I love how the drawers came out. Everything is such evenly coated and it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna apply these knobs. I got these from Amazon.com and they are absolutely gorgeous. They definitely add this sort of classic look to the desk, and it really just allows that blue to really stand out. Kind of on a royalty feel, if you ask me. Okay guys, so since I'm outside, it's definitely important to smell the flowers. Some are just, budding. Some are ready to blossom, and wherever you are in life, that is okay. Some of us are fully in our potential and our power and living good. And no matter where you are, definitely appreciate and love yourself. Take this time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will bring me so much joy. And now let's go ahead for the final review. So as you can see, this is the before, or sort of beat up old desk that we have here. And then we transformed it into this beautiful, gorgeous blue desk that I am just so excited to work at. Also, I had some spray paint left over where I was able to paste this little vase, which I think would be so cute in a room. So go ahead and let me know what you guys create. Be sure to watch the next video, hit that subscribe button, join the notification squad. My name is Janita Blue. Always remember to be blessed, be beautiful, and most importantly, be you. Always be yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.